Today we're going to open this box. We've already opened it before, but we want to open it again so it'll be even cooler. Now let's open it. Don't worry, it's kind of tight. So, first we have some sheets of paper. They're blank. And then we got some construction paper crayons. Ooh, looks pretty good for construction paper. Now we have some washable markers. And then we have mini washable markers. I don't know if you've seen these before. I have once. They're kind of rare because they're teeny. And here's some colored pencils. They're mini size. And here are normal crayons. And here's some more sheets of paper, but you have to color what's on it. And here are glitter crayons. Never seen these before. And here's some blue. Okay, and there's chalk. Now, you just seen the outside. We're going to open everything for you guys. Please be patient. So we'll start with this pipsqueak, whatever these are. Whoa, look, what did I tell you? They're mini. Let's put them in. Here's our sheet of paper that we color again. Let's open it. So we have these crayons. These are normal crayons. There are 16 of them. Since crayons always make a mess, I'm going to leave them in the box. Okay, here's some glue. Since glue really sticks a lot, I'll keep this closed up. Here are some glitter crayons. I've never seen these before. I'm really excited to open them. Whoa. Well, they don't look too much glittery. Oh yeah, they do. If you see close enough, they have sparkles on them. Can't wait to see when I can use them. Here are some washable markers. We saw this already. Let's open it up. So here are all the colors. Since we can close it, I really want to do. Since the cap is open fully and we can close it back, I'll close it. That's my choice. And then here are some chalks. Ooh, these are hard to open too. Okay, got it. There are 12 of them. 2 of each color. Here. As you can see, there's 2 of every color. That's why there are 12. Since they're so messy, I'm going to leave them floating. And here's some blank paper. We told them about this already. Let's open it. It's a little hard. Can I help you? Sure. Here's some colored paper. You can see all of them colorful. So now we got one last thing. It's 12 colored pencils. I think these are going to be cool. Let's check them. I've seen colored pencils before, but not much. Never had my own colored pencils. Look, they're sharp. I think they can make a big mess, so I'm not going to let them. Ron, I feel so happy. Do you? I feel so happy that we have all of these toys. I feel so happy. I want to dance. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that we got all of these cool toys. Yeah, so happy. These are not toys. These are stuff. We can color on all day. Na 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 na. Oh, and I'll do the ducks. Okay, let's do a little bit of color. Pick something to use. I'm going to use some color. I'm going to use some glitter pencils. Oh, I found these construction thingies that I think I want to see again. They're really cool, but not cool enough. No, I'm not going to use them. And which ones did you use? You get the glitter ones. Yeah. Can I use the glitter ones after you? So I'm going to start with these normal ones for the cow. So, our cow is black or brown? Never mind. Black and white? Okay. I forget cow colors since they barely have any. I'm so happy about these colors. As soon as I colored them, I thought, whoa, these colors are so cool. I think I can do some more dancing. I'm going to use construction paper crayons. Which color do you need, Ron? I need blue. Let me see. I need light blue. I need light blue. How about you take dark blue? Okay, I'll do. Okay, you can have that. This is water blue. And I'll take. I really need to do some watering. Wait, this is not a water blue. Is this one water blue? There's different types of blue. We said we want to finish our coloring, so we did. Here is mine and here is his. I signed it on the back, and I signed it on the bottom. So I hope you like our video. It's some hard work, and we had to pause about 3 times or something. So we're going to put it back. Please subscribe and give us a like, or give us 2 likes. Or as many as you can. Do not give us a thumbs down. Okay? Yeah. See you later, alligators. After a while, crocodile.